Parents, welcome to KG Video Log. As we approach the second term holidays, we can look back on a very successful term. Students and staff have been involved in a wide range of events and activities, and once again we have enjoyed and celebrated many successes. This term, children enjoyed lots of hands-on activities based on the concept they have covered. Events, this helped children build their self-esteem. In academics, this term our focus has been to teach children how to read and write. All teachers have worked hard on improving their phonics skills, reading and vocabulary. At the moment, children can read and write some simple and complex sentences. Integrating celebration in curriculum helps children. These events encourage children to question, answer, reflect on and articulate what they learn regarding other cultures and beliefs. Festivals bring everyone together and invite children to develop an understanding of the importance of togetherness. We in kindergarten celebrated different festivals and events this term. Mega event in kindergarten was KG1 and KG2 Sports Day. The annual Sports Day helps children to explore their hidden sports interest as they enjoy a healthy competition with each other more than the physical activity. Such events help children build confidence and social skills and also teaches them the benefits of goal setting and practice. To further develop children's different skills, we also celebrated Cultural Week. The main objective to celebrate Cultural Week was cultural celebration foster respect and open-mindedness for other cultures. Celebrating our differences as well as our common interests helps unite and educate us. Many different activities were planned for this week. Children showed artifacts which resembled their culture and spoke about it. In their mother tongue, even parents were involved where they spoke about their custom and culture. The other activities which children did was girls dressed their doll based on their tradition and boys dressed and colored their favorite superheroes and spoke about them, their customs and their tradition. Now let's see what children have done in academics for the week.
In literacy, we learned the story The Little Polar Bear. We wrote CVC words in the notebook. Love captions and CVC words. This week, we revised all the topics done in this term. We did an activity on polar habitat. In UOW, we have revised the topic polar habitat. We revised polar animals. We learn about different things like house, plants, people and clothes that belong to polar habitat. In phonics, we learned the digraph owl. We came up with words like owl, town, down, etc. In literacy, we did picture comprehension. We identified the picture and used our creative minds to frame sentences by using video vocabularies and concluded the story, The Umbrella. In numeracy, we learn more about 3D shapes. We learn which shape can roll, slide and stack. It is so much fun to build 3D models by stacking the 3D shapes. Learning number 1, 6 and decomposing the number in different ways was good learning. We wrote number name 13 in our notebook. We finished the topic of rainforest. We now understood rainforests are kind of forest habitat. It gets rain whole here. There are many animals, reptiles and birds found in reflect layers of rainforest.
To conclude our term end celebration and cultural week, we had Dubai drums on our campus. Drumming reduces tension, anxiety and stress, combines motor movement with auditory and visual feedback, which makes it a great tool for strengthening a variety of skills for all children. This is how it is skill building while having fun. Moreover, to conclude term and celebration, we also had special assembly by our teachers and children. Teachers explain importance of celebration and festival, give insight into different tradition and customs. Children presented song and dance and our teachers also presented different culture dance forms. This is how a fruitful and exciting term has come to an end. I thank all our parents on behalf of Ambassador team for their continuous support, my teachers and Principal Sir for his guidance and support. Happy holidays to everyone, Merry Christmas and Happy New Year. See you parents in New Year with many more exciting activities and events. Till then, stay safe, stay healthy.